Yeah, bed. We're on the way and then we're gonna go to bed. Go visit my girl Sydney Soda Bar. She has the new Alani Cherry Bomb. My son's awake. I didn't realize I spilled makeup on myself. My husband should be home. We're gonna go to the soda bar. I think it's just a sweatpants kind of day. What is that? Really good.
It's so good.
Alright. I got my drink. Gonna go help someone. This car is broke down. I just dropped my husband off back at work. Light came on, so now we're going to go get an oil change. I just hate oil change. They're so awkward. Just to have a cute drink. I just got done, and honestly, I'm tired, so I think I'm just gonna go home. I just don't want to get out of the car. I'm in slippers right now. Let's go home.